Welcome to PE Lessons with Mrs. Cook. Remember to try your best. Hi guys, in order to get ready for our Thanksgiving festivities, we are going to learn how to make turkey bowling pins. Make sure you have adult supervision when completing this activity. What you'll need today is the turkey template that you can download from your classroom, markers, crayons, or colored pencils, a pair of scissors, a water bottle, tape or a rubber band, and a ball or a bean bag. Ask an adult to help you print out a turkey template. Depending on how many water bottles you want to use, print that amount. Next, you're going to color your turkey. Pick any colors you want. Don't forget to try to stay within the lines. Then you're going to cut your turkey out. You could also draw a circle around the turkey and cut the circle instead. Next, tape your turkey to a water bottle. The water bottle can be any size. The last step for today is to set up your bowling pins however you want and get ready to bowl. Thanks for watching, everybody. Keep up the good work.